Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. Well, it's almost Valentine's Day, and what better way than to show the person you love that they are the king or queen of your kingdom than making them a crown out of doilies. So I'm going to teach you how to make this Valentine's Day doily crown right now. For this project, you will need a 24-inch by 1.5-inch strip of poster board, a stir stick, scissors, 8-inch doilies, 3, a 6-inch heart doily, stickers, stick-on jewels, paper clip, glue stick or hot glue. So I'm going to take one doily and I'm going to fold it right in half, like that. And then I can use either glue stick or hot glue, and place a strip of glue and place this right in the middle of my strip. And then fold this up and over and glue. So if you have young children, they of course can use like a glue stick, but I am going to use the hot glue just for nice and speedy. So there's one. And now I'm going to overlap a tiny little bit and put a second one on either side. So now we're going to add our doily in the center. That's going to be our heart. That's going to be the crowning jewel of our crown. But I want to decorate it up first. And so I've got these fabulous and fantastic jewels. These are stick-on jewels. They come in strips. And I love these because you just lay them right down and they stick right where you want them. And because they're in these thin strips, they're flexible. So you can see I can just go straight on up, and then when I get to the heart turn, I can just follow it around, right around. So I've already done mine here, got it all set and ready to go. And I'm going to also use some embellishments with some stickers to make this even prettier. Put one there. I love these sparkly stickers. All of this stuff I got at the dollar store, which is why it's so fabulous as well, because it didn't cost me very much. And put it right there like that. Now I'm going to flip this over because this is going to need a little bit of strength. See how it's a little bit floppy? So I'm going to flip this over and I'm going to add a stir stick on the back. This is just one of those stir sticks. You get these at any of your coffee shops, Starbucks, wherever. And just going to cut off the bottom just about 1/2 inch to 1 inch because it's a little too big for my heart. So there we go. I'm going to place the glue on my stick. Be careful when you get down to your fingers there that you don't burn them. And just flip it up and glue it on there in the middle. And now I'm going to bring my crown back. And I'm just going to glue this right in the center. And I just want to figure out where the stick ends on the doily here. And it's like right at the top of my two little hearts, heart bumps. So I'm just going to take my glue right up to the heart bumps. I'm going to give a little glue here, a little glue here. And just glue that right to the center of my doily. And I'm going to lift this end up over here, give this a little bit of glue here, and lift this side up, give it a little glue. And that's pretty secure. Now the reason I have paper clips is because I use the paper clips to size these to the children or to my king's head. Because all I'm going to do is take this, fold it around like this, and then wherever is the right size, I can cut off the excess, and I just use the paper clip. So I'm going to cut this little bit of excess off here because we don't need that. Bring this around like that. There we go. And actually I can cut all of this off here. There we go. Fold this around onto there. Take my paper clip and secure. And there you have it. Your very own Queen of Hearts crown. For more fun ideas for Valentine's Day and beyond, check us out, Sophie-World.com.
Sophie-World.com.